Codingal. My name is Reyan, and today I'll be showing you the projects that I made with Asif sir. So we were studying object-oriented programming, and we finished our module already. And here's the code. The first one is what I like to call like a bouncy ball game. So we have a ball, we display the screen, there's different colors, and I actually implemented that the ball changes colors each time it hits a surface by using auto clock colors, obviously different color coordinates in Python. It's going to pick a random color since we imported the random color module. Reset the ball while running. And just a lot of really if statements. So the player using the up and down arrows, which I think I have the code somewhere here. They can use like the up and down arrows to make a beam, like go either up or down basically. And they're trying to hit the ball across the surface and not let the ball collide with, they don't want to let the ball collide with their kind of area or wall. And if it does, game over is equal to true, since the ball's at y position, x position 0. But if it doesn't, and if they hit it, then the game still continues. Here, let me just run the code and show you. So I can move it using the up and down arrows, obviously, and it changes color each time it hits the surface. And if I just let it go, don't do anything, it should game over, press space to restart. So that was my first project that I did with Dr. Asif. Then the next one I have is like a name drawing sprite. This one was a little bit more rigorous to implement, but in the end, it's asked the user for a name, or it asks for an input of a name. For example, my name's Reyan. And here I made it to where a sprite can actually like render and go through each section kind of. Made a class called chalk, and it's great. It's gray and white like chalk. A lot of different things. In the end, of course, we have to flip it, quit Pygame, sys.exit, and let me show you how it works. So first, ask for an input of a name. Let's say Reyan, my name. Then it inputs it in the center, since I divided the screen's area by 2 and said midpoint. So it's always going to be kind of in the center. That's where it's going to try to make it. Then again, we can try with different names. It might just take longer. Muhammad, why not? And the speed was kind of hard to implement, but at the end, I got it. And these are my two projects for this module with